Tang-ina, hindi din talaga ako makapaniwala that with just one damn content, I am able to close a deal $1,500 a month at hindi siya full SMM. Magkikreate ka lang ng strategy, magkikreate ka lang ng content ideas, and that's it. Using one content that I posted on my Instagram. And this is why posting quality content really matters than posting every day. I've been telling to everyone that I am only posting 1 to 2 times content on my Instagram, so hindi ka niniwala, pumunta ka sa Instagram ko, browse mo yung mga content ko doon, and yes, 1 to 2 times lang ako nagpo-post ng content doon. But that's really my money-making account. To the point na siya yung nagbibigay sa akin ng client or premium client that I really wanted to work. And lahat ng client ko right now, 90% of that is from Instagram. Yun pa yung gusto ko talagang client na maka-work with. Yung client na hindi nagpe-pressure ng result, na naiintindihan nila that social media management really takes a lot of time to grow. Yung client na walang pake sa ginagawa mo at hindi kami na micromanage. Yung client na nagbibigay ng raw footage sa'yo because you need it to create content. Yung mga ganun na client. Bakit nakukuha ko yung ganun ng client? Because yun yung mga ginagawan ko ng content. And they are aware that I am really looking for them. And they are aware that they need me because yun yung wala at kulang sa social media nila. And to tell you, yung client na na-close ko just right now is we just did a discovery call 2 days ago tapos kakabayad niya lang ngayon. Meaning, within 2 days, nagbayad siya agad full for the whole month. And if you want to get a client like that, you need to show up in social media but make sure that you did it right. Show up in a right way, not in a wrong way. So if you want to know about my content strategy, I've been creating content on my YouTube at hindi ako nag-gatekeep with all of the content strategy, all of the process na meron ako sa SMM. I also have free resources wherein dun mo talaga makukuha lahat ng information about social media management. And again, I also have YouTube. Free lang yon, you don't need to pay it. Just take action, okay? Let's take advantage of social media but make sure that in a right way.